Hi, I'm Nainika and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. I'm starting off with a primer to create a smooth base for a long-lasting makeup. Following it with a concealer to cover up any blemishes or other imperfections you want to conceal. Remember, less is more when it comes to makeup. Next, I'll take some foundation and apply it all over my face using a damp beauty blender, not forgetting to apply some on the neck as well. Using some loose powder to set the base and make it long lasting. Now, I'm brushing my brows using a spoolie brush and filling it in wherever required. Starting off my eyes with a soft transition shade and following it up with a lilac color in the inner and outer parts of the eyes, leaving space in the middle. Make sure you blend the eyeshadow properly before going in with a silver toned glitter shade and applying it on the middle part of your eye. I am next going to accentuate this look using an eyeliner. Don't forget to apply some lilac color to your lower lash line as well. Now I'm applying some mascara to make my lashes look even more voluminous. I'm going in with the bronzer next to add a little bit of shadow and warmth to the face. And following it up with a little bit of blush and blending it upwards. Moving on to the lips, I'm using a pink toned lip liner first. And next going in with a pink lip gloss to give you a natural looking lip. Last but not the least, using a highlight to the high points of your face like your nose, chin, cupid's bow and cheekbones. And setting all of this in place using a setting spray. That's it, you have your lilac makeup look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.